uThando neSithembu, yabona le family things are actually escalating. You would expect ukuthi after the retreat they had these two psychologists, uNonto noBamdabe. You'll think, "Hi man, things are gonna be better." Oh my gosh, no Musa acabanga ukuthi kuba wes manje. Yabona nje uMacele is in another level angry. She's just like, yo, uMayeni kusho ukuthi vele uMayeni girlfriend. And another thing, uMayeni, apparently I didn't even know that, uMayeni wamitha kuqala no, she actually fell pregnant before uMacele. That's one nigga it ticks her. uMacele, she's just like, you know what, ngifuna ukumazi lo. And ngapha uMayeni ufeel ukuthi no, uMacele actually stole her man. In fact, in me no number one. I am just like, okay guys, lento ka number one is a problem. Trying to get a spot in this family is like so crazy. Buka nje manje uMakwelo kukanjani. It's like you're not getting any spot from Khumalo. You're not anything. Like, oh my gosh, I'm just like, okay guys, it's a lot. Also, it always coming out now, that whole thing uMacele ukuthi actually she didn't want Isithembu. And yabona manje this thing yakhe yokuthi she didn't want Isithembu in closed doors, it's coming back because uMacele has beef with all the wives, if you've noticed. And ibuke kahle ibeef kaMacele. uMacele, the reason why she wanted to bring uMakhwela, it's because ufuna ukuthi labo mama abanye about three babone kahle the pain that she felt. Ngoba vele originally she did not want Isithembu, but ezivalela feel nje ukuthi yazini akunandaba, whatever, you know. Only now you can pick it up with her. Lo muntu kahle hle akasifuni Isithembu, oyengasifuni, but wahlala because I feel ukuthi, you know what, le ndoda ngithatha serious and all of that. But my thing is that akasifuni Isithembu lo mama lo, and the reason why she brought uMakhwela ufuna ukuzwisa labo mama lento ayizwayo ukuthi akenizwe. And labo mama they just like, yasifuna ngimazi nalo Makhwela wakhona. Hi guys, uMayeni izinto eyishoyo, I think kufanele ikhulume nosisi wakhe on the side. You can't say those things for the children to see you on TV later on and be like, uma wayengangifuni ukubona leyo nto, why am I in this world? Because manje she is saying things like, kube bengingareverse nje mina ngaba ngithola ngengane, actually ngabe ngathola umpumelelo kuphela. Who even says that, guys, as a mother? Lezo zinto into ekhuluma nabangani bakho in corners, whispering on the side, like you can't talk like that. Like we bolod. So uMayeni, guys, is very, very unhappy at this point now. Ukhuluma nendaba zakhe nje zakudala and how nje she's being treated in this marriage, where uMbali umangwazi just like wena Musa makahamba waya lapho, because apparently uMayeni angithi at some stage went home, you know, go by why she wanted out, sort of, you know. So as she was at home, she was sidelined in a way, like she wasn't told anything. Manje nje even the show kwase kuMacele kuMbali uMangwabe bese kuzoba uMakhumalo babe ngasambali sisters. Sis just like kodwa mase segula uMusa, mase kushare amabhili sengiyabizwa nasikhathi uMusa segula sengiya esibhedlela. How is that possible? But I wasn't involved as a wife. Bebengangifaki, bengangibali nje, sidelining me basically. Guys. Hayibo guys, isidluleke endabeni kaMayeni-ke nezinto zakhe ezenza ukuthi angabi happy. Nangu uMacele phela esegibela uMusa. Athi kuMusa, bra please, Musa uzozimangaza lana, ngidinwe ngiyafa ngiyaqhuma. In fact, ngiselesele ngaqhuma noma kunini. Promise, iselesele kodwa guys. I was like, yeah, I've never. I'm actually more than iselesele, I mean, right now. Because ngidiniwe nje izinto ebeyikhulunywa kule retreat. I doubt the retreat was going to help me. And uMusa is just like, no, yena i-retreat ufeel ukuthi it actually helped him to see things and to see ukuthi people babuphi. You know that the thing ukuthi umbone umuntu uthi, oh lo umela kahle hle. You wouldn't have realized those things had you not gone to the retreat. Ukuyibona. So uMakhumalo bakhuluma ngaye laphana. uMacele guys the shop. She's like, yazini please, mina ngiyakisa manje uzuzongimangaza ngale ntombazane lengane. Mina ngathi kwena lengane ngisho uMakhumalo asihlangana nginangani naye mina nawe ekhulelwe. uMakhumalo wakhulelwa wazobonwa yilapha before uMusa, because I'm thinking maybe she started trying to have children in the ectopic pregnancies when she was with uMusa. So I'm surprised about her. And this thing has been coming out, and I actually saw it even on social media. Go to uMakhumalo uke wakhulelwa before. Actually, unayo ingane. I'm like, njani bra? Would you invest yourself so much even nakumpilo ingane engena neyakho when you have a child umfihle lo mntwana. Hey, but guys, you know when we were growing up, people look babefihle ingane. So you never know for sure. I'm just like, wow. Quickly, I just wanted to add le nto le ukuthi uMayeni ufila disrespected ne, and uthi this thing was actually created by uMusa. That is why abafazi bakhe bemdelela. How uMacele was disrespectful to her when she had a tent there eMzumbe, when she was staying eMzumbe, ukuthi uMacele akahlala eMzumbe kwenziwa imisebenzi kwenziwani. She was just like kanjani right in front of my eyes. Aningijwayele ibe kanjeba ngisho sebangijwayela kabi lapha. Actually, in fact, njengoba ngijwayela kabi abafazi bamusa, it's his doing. Umayeni guys ke at least ke she got someone to speak to, so she was taking it out ke manje esho ukuthi nje yazi fana nale ndlu mina ngangicelele ukuthi uMusa angithengele le ndlu khona manje sekuthiwa ngamphoqa, I forced him to buy this house for me. Kanjani abanye ngithi nabo bayitholile izindlu ba-forced uMusa actually they didn't force him. Hey, yabo nje yazini iyaphambili lento awuza ngithi escalator la bantu ngebazwane guys. Tekuse njalo kuMacele besethi-ke kuMusa futhi wena you are the same person owathi ene umuntu onengane ngeke uzozomthatha, but akuyona yini le ngane le umakhumalo uthobile sahlangana naye pregnant na. Hey, uMusa ubengasisazi athi awungikhumbuza bamgive uMusa bra, and to a point where I even felt like, you know what, uMusa actually amsaba Macele.